Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn how to design a column, material steel column in StatPro. So first open StatPro, click on new project, click on space, give your file name steel column. Okay, you can choose the location, give the length unit meter and force unit kilometer. You can change the length and force unit. After finished, then click on next, select add beam, then finish. Now we have to create a column. For that, select here on 0 and in the upward direction select your column length. I'm going to give 4 meter for column. Is our column is created. Switch off the grid. This is our column. Now we have to fix the column. For that, go to support page, click on create, select fix support, add. Now select the node and first select the support, then select the node, then click on send to selected nodes and then assign, then yes. Now our column is fixed. Column is fixed supported. Now close it. You have to keep the property. For that, go to property page. For steel structure, go to section database, select Indian. You can give any section. I'm going to give I shape. Select this section. You can choose any section. I'm going to give this section. Okay, so select the section, then add it, close it. Now it goes to this member. Okay, so select the column and click on assign to selected beams, then assign, then yes. Now our property has been given. You can check the 3D view. So this is our column. Okay, close the 3D render view. You have to give load. For that, go to load page, select load case detail, click add, loading type dead, give title dead, then add it, close it, select the date, click on add, select the self weight, add the self weight, select, go to nodal load. So this is column, so it going to give nodal load on the upper side in the FY direction, minus FY direction, minus, give nodal load minus 12, then click on add. If there is moment, you can give the moment. Okay, then close it. Set the self weight, goes to assign to view because there is one structure only, one beam or one column only. And for give the nodal load, select node cursor, select the nodes and click on assign to selected nodes, assign, yes. Okay, so nodal load has been given. Okay, now we have to analyze it. For that, go to command, analyze, perform analyze, no print. Okay, analyze, run analyze, save. So there is no error, no warning, no notes. So our module is analysis. Okay, then click on done. Go to steel design. For design steel, at first you have to create envelope. So select new envelope, deselect the combination load because there is no combination load, select the dead load, then OK. Now go to member design and we have to select the member and go to member design physical member and select the auto form members, and our member is created. Now go to beam brief or groups. Now we have to create first brief. For that, go to new brief, select your design code. I'm going to select IS 800 for Indian and let it default, then click on OK. Now go to new design group. Now add a group and select the member. Okay, member is selected in the design group, so click OK. Then go to result and reports, then go to member design, perform group design and check code. So our group design completed successfully, and again go to member design, perform group design and member selection, single step design. Select the member section and OK. Now our design is complete. Okay, now you can check the design style column, design result table. Okay, so you can see I have selected this section. Okay, now the code cross check with my section and give the section this IS 800 12B 500. Now what is 500? This is the breadth of flange. I have give the breadth of flange 400. It is not suitable for 400, it will crack. That's why instead give the BF or breadth of flange 500 and it will pass. Okay, you can check the calculation, design calculation. For that, select a member, go to member and view design calculation, and you can see the design calculation here. Okay, this is the AS cross sectional. Okay, now cylinder checking safe. Okay, and the interaction ratio is also safe. Close it, go to post processing, select it, OK. You can see the axial force. Okay, you can see the beam stresses. Sorry, there is no beam stresses. You can check the reaction for column. Select text, move it. So this is our reaction. Okay, so that's it. That's how you gonna design a steel column in StatPro using IS 800 Indian code. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Okay, bye.